When you first open WordPress, the dashboard can look confusing because there are many menus and so many options. In this video, I will explain the WordPress dashboard step by step so you know exactly where to go when you are building your website. So we are going to launch our WordPress dashboard from the XAMPP control panel. All you need is to launch Apache and MySQL. The video of loading or working or installing WordPress is in the description. You can check it out. So when you start Apache and MySQL, the next thing you're going to do is to go to your browser and search for localhost / the website name. So the website name we used previously was WordPress series, and you load it and it's going to load your website. Okay, so this is literally the front end. There are options to get you to the back end. You see this WordPress logo. When you click it, open on a new tab or click it, it will take you to your back end. Right, so this is the WordPress dashboard. You can use /wp-admin and it will also take you to your dashboard. So /wp/admin, if you are not logged in, it will prompt you to log in. So if you are prompted to log in, just sign in with the password that you used. And this is our WordPress dashboard. So the WordPress dashboard is basically where you control your WordPress website. Okay, so I'm going to run it through. When you look at this place, you can see health, your website, quick draft. You can see activities like comments. When you check this section to where most beginners miss, you can just hide this so that you can get a clean page. Okay, all you see is your WordPress or site health. This is also for post blogs. This is where you add blog post. You can just add post and it's going to take you to the blog page or the editor where you can add your blog post. So you put your title here and put your blog contents. You can also set categories. So this is for blog posting. This section is your library. So you can see it's some place that you can add your media. Either you add them from Elementor or you load your medias directly, drop the files or upload the files. They all work the same. This is your media library. This is for pages. As you can see, the name suggests pages, so you can add pages. WordPress will give you sample pages, right? So let's preview this privacy policy sample pages. All right, so this is what it looks like raw, and this is a sample page as well. So this right now is our current sample page. Okay, so you can just go ahead and delete trash and they are gone. So anytime you open your dashboard, new website, you can just trash, and the privacy policy you can edit it. Right now it's drafted, so you can see draft here is not published yet. And we can add new pages by either clicking and opening on a new tab or just click to add pages. And you are going to just give it your page title and you click on publish. So this is how you add new pages. And this section is for comments. So you can see comments of your website, add comments, remove comments, and all that. And this is the appearance. Appearance is where you add themes. So you can select add theme. By default, WordPress gives you 3 themes, right? This is 2025. So this is the current theme. You can click on customize. This one is the next in line. If you want to activate it, if you want to use it, you click on activate and so on. So you can literally delete themes as well. So you can just click on it and delete. So usually what I do is I delete unused themes. Okay, I delete unused themes. So we are building the website. We have to clear it up. And we can as well add themes. Just click here, add themes, and you can add a theme. So this is it. In my next video, we are going to drill in themes and the best themes that you should be using. So this is just focusing on dashboard. The next section is plugins. All right, and this is where you add your plugin. So you can see by default we have a spam protection plugin, and we are going to add a plugin called Elementor. So I'm going to add Elementor plugin. So when you click on add plugin, you can add plugin. You can upload plugins as well, especially when you're using premium features, paid features. You just have to download the plugin and add. All right, so this is Elementor plugin. I'm going to install it. So this is the section where we install plugins on WordPress, and this is the user. So apparently we need to let Elementor install before we move on, but I'm going to open this in a new tab so that we can work on Elementor as well as continue with our video non-distractively. So the users is where we can add users. Okay, let's say you are working with a team, you want to add someone to this backend, you want a team member to edit, you can add the user. So you can add user, you put their username, their email, and you generate a password for them, and you set their role, either administrator, editor, author, contributor, right? And as well as you can view all your users and delete users, as well as if somebody leaves the team, you want to take them out. This is where you control all those. And we have tools here. So you can, as their name suggests, export, import, export personal data, erase personal data, edit plugins, files, edit theme files as well. And we have our settings here, and this is where we will change our website name. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna write something short here, and the only thing or what I wanted to show you is for it to change. So you can see it is changing here as soon as I type. So I'm just going to undo. All right, and you can set your tagline. This is what people see when they search up for your website. You can set an icon here. This is your URL or your domain. So this is my administration email as well. So membership, user roles, language is here, time zone is also here, formatting of the date is also here, time formatting. You can literally leave this as default. All right, and the settings, we have the most important ones. We have your writing, so it's for blogs, posts. We have not customized or done any features like categories, so we cannot do anything like that. But if you're writing blogs, posts, you can, these settings might be useful to you. And this is reading. So this reading section lets you set your static page. So right now it's on latest post, but there's no latest post, so we can just set our home page to the home page that we edited earlier on, and the blog page too. We can work on that later. Right, you're just going to save or add a page as blog and add it to blog page. All right, that is all you need to do. Search engine visibility, you can turn it off if you don't want people to find your website when they search. Click on save, and we also have media settings. Right, so you can go through the media settings. We also have permalink settings. It's one of the most important settings. So what you want to be using is post name. You can just see the URLs here, post name. This is how you want your pages or your URLs to be indexed. All right, so just click on save, and there's this tiny settings here. It's very tricky if you're a beginner. When you click on this, it's going to hide. Very tricky. It's going to hide this dashboard, and if you don't know what you're about, you struggle a lot. So if it happens to you, know that this is the key to unlock it. So basically, you can just go ahead, add new pages here. You can click on this to view your website. So this is how you view your website from the dashboard. So if this video helped you to understand WordPress, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let's continue with the next lesson, which we are going to add theme and customize themes. Do not get confused. The more you use WordPress, the more it becomes easier for you to grasp everything. If you want a structured guide for building professional websites on WordPress, I created the client-ready blueprint for WordPress. It covers planning, page structure, design, as well as AI workflows, how to review your website, and also client handover. You can find this link in the description, and if you're a subscriber to Aning Design Lab, you can get yourself 50% discount by using the short code YouTube50. It's a limited offer, so grab your copy now.